It ain't much of a how-to. It's just how I do, which is probably not the way you want to do it. Now, let's see if we can get these back bushings and shells out. All right, so I got some tomfoolery going on here. So this is not really in by anything good, and then I have a socket here pushing on inside of that because it looks like the flange is on this side, so it's going to push from the outside in on this one. So I don't know if this is going to come apart. I don't know if it's coming out, but let's give it the college try. This is not safe, not recommended, and I don't think this is the correct tool for this, but we're gonna give it a shot. My socket may be a little too big. I think my socket might be a little bit too big diameter wise, but it is pushing it out. Do I want the whole thing to come out? The bushing and all? Well, I guess I can start with the sleeve coming out, but I think that's definitely, actually no, that might be about right. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. I gotta get this prop back up how I had it. I mean, what am I gonna do? Mess up the rubber bushing? I think my socket may be stuck. I think my socket may be stuck. Potentially. Maybe. Oh. I think my socket may be stuck. Like that half lift you put on your truck. Carolina squat, baby. Oh, that sleeve is not coming out. All right. Alrighty then. Let me figure out how to unfluster what I've bustered. You know what? Because that'll butt right up against the socket. Ha 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 ha. Uh-oh. Did I jack something up? Oh, it comes out. All right. Ha ha. Idiots. One. Now I just need to retrieve my socket. Yeah, at this point, it ain't much of a how-to. It's just how I do, which is probably not the way you want to do it. At this point, it's a vlog. I'm just vlogging at this point in the game, to be honest with you. I'm out here doing stuff the wrong way and getting the same results. I need to try to get this rubber bushing out, and then I'm going to need to collapse this sleeve and get it out. Actually, this is a drywall knife, by the way. Well, I'll be back when I get this rubber out. And where's my flathead? Yeah, I'll be back when I get the rubber out and we start knocking these sleeves out. Or I'll be back when I get it all out. Oh, y'all couldn't even see what I was doing. A 45-year-old rubber. Yeah, I was ready to sell that on eBay for about $60, $70.